name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki, and this is my channel. It's makeup, it's Korea, it's a bunch of randomness, which is me, basically. This video is just going to be a really quick look of me using the Funkhouser Rockstar palette. On camera, I will be leaving a little card description thingy so you can see me unboxing the palette. It's gonna be my first time using the palette on camera. I've already used it 3 times already in looks that I've done this week so far, but now I'm going to do it on camera. So let's get started. Now the star of the show is going to be the Rockstar palette, of course, but however, my eyes have been primed. Clearly we're having a great brow day also. Yes. I'm going to be using the Soul palette and the shade, I don't want to get this wrong, the shade New Digs, which is this lovely shade here. No, yes, I believe. And I'm going to put that as a base color so that the other colors that I'm going to use from that Funkhouser palette pop more. And because this, if you watch the video, the Funkhouser palette is all metallic shades and then the black matte, so I can't really use any shades in there as a base. So, and I don't like shimmers as a base on me. If it works for you, get your life, but it doesn't work for me. So I'm going to just go into this New Digs ColourPop shade and put that as my base color. Excuse the already ratchetness of this palette. I've been using it, especially these 2 colors. I've used them like 3 times now. Today, however, because I'm feeling real, I don't know what's the word I'm feeling, but I'm feeling very queen-like, very royal. So I'm going to be using Rock Royale, Rebel, maybe New York Doll, and then of course I'm going to go back into Metal Mama for this look. Why? I don't know. Those colors have been calling me, so I'm going to be using them.
Ingrained in my mind, left me not even lie. Move your body the way that I like, and you got me for life. Cause your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was a pink starburst. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone of the water. And I know with love and Tiki come together. Though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever. And though the music dies, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever.
So that shade that's on right now is this Rebel. So I'm going to go into Rock Royale and put that right in this area. Just focus really in the outer V of the eyes to give it dimension. That's the word I'm looking for. Yes, dimension.
I thought I was allergic to love, like my heart had the flu. But your sin, it was my medicine. No more saying I'm true. Now your touch is my addiction, and your
The next shade I'm going to be using is New York Doll. I love the name of this shade, and it's really very pretty. It's like a metallic lavender shade. I don't want to say light purple because that's slightly lighter than a light purple. It's like a shimmery metallic lavender shade. So I'm going to be using that using my Morphe M156 brush, the fluffier end, not this end. So and the star of the show, well, not the star of the show, but like the piece de la resistance would be Metal Mama. I added concealer into my inner corners just so it could pop more. I mean, by itself, if you watched me unboxing and swatching, by itself it pops, but like I feel like with concealer it pops more. So yeah, and it pops more, and I don't know, I like the way it looks when I like it by itself, but I also like the way it looks with concealer, so I use concealer. I'm going to be using the same Morphe brush, only this time I'm using the thinner end, just so I can just like get in there without making a mess. And then I'm gonna use this side to blend it all together because it still has the New York Doll shade on it.
Ingrained in my mind, let me not even lie. Move your body the way that I like, and you got me for life. Cause your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me.
So this is the finished lid eye look. I have no idea. I'll probably go with either Legendary, which is this navy shimmer shade, metallic shade, or Glam Artist on the lower lash line. Not sure yet. You know, I like being different. But I'm going to go off camera real quick, real fast, and put my foundation on. Be back! So now it's time for the under eye. I think I'll just do Legendary, and then Rock Royale, and then Metal Mama at the very inner corners. Almost like an inner corner highlight, but not really.
I was allergic to love, like my heart had the flu. But your sin, it was my medicine. No more saying I'm true. Now your touch is my addiction, and your kiss is my prescription. Is it real or is it fiction? Only thing I was missing was somebody to want me, like I was a thing starvers. Cause you make my heart skip like a stone of the water. And I know with e.l.f. and Tiki come together. Though the music does, the rhythm of my heartbeat lasts forever.
Now I didn't record myself doing the full face of everything else because it's not really necessary. The main focus was the eyes. I put on the lipstick, but I'm not done with my lips. That's why I turned the camera back on before I'm actually ending this video. This shade is Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in You Better Work. However, I'm going to take an Eddie Funkhouser gloss. Again, if you saw the video, then you saw this one. This is in the shade Publicity Stunt. and I'm going to put this on top of this lip for some added effect, and because I really want to use this one. However, I'm not wearing this lip to work, so if you follow me on Instagram, you're going to see separate pictures with a different lip color. I have no idea what lip color I'm going to pair with this for work, but probably something light, nudie, or maybe just my Fenty gloss. Not sure yet, but yeah.
Want somebody to want me like I was a pink starburst. 'Cause you make my heart skip like a stone off the water.
No idea why my hair wound up looking like this. I curled it while it was still wet slash in that ponytail because the middle is still wet, and this is what I came up with. So it's just gonna stay like this. I'm whatever. Kind of like it though. It's giving me like 50s glam vibes. Of course, their hair was shorter, but you know, this whole thing. I like it. I like it. Just curl my hair in a ponytail from now on. This is a finished look. I like it a lot. Freaking A, that purple, or those purples, they're so pretty. And this gloss is everything. I'm not gonna highlight the Cupid's bow with this look. I'm going to do it with the other lipstick. But I like this because I don't want to highlight my Cupid's bow gold because this is silver. And I don't have a silver highlighter. Mine are pink, yellow, blah 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 blah. Yeah, but I like this. I like this a lot. Ooh. If you would like to see me use any more colors or any different colors or combinations of the colors I used, or some of the colors I used plus another color in that palette, leave them in the comments section below. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave those as well. And that's it for this video. I will see you all next time. Bye.